All right, everybody. Hey, it's Bridget Lynn Dolgoff, Conscious of Economics and Urban Farm Project. And this is going to be a really short video, but I had a really hard summer here on the property, and I'm glad it's kind of finishing up. But anyway, these are, I've been doing a lot of canning, and now I'm making apple cider vinegar. So I just kind of wanted to throw some tips in. I'm dealing with a lot of apples that have a lot of worms and stuff in them, and they're all kind of different sizes. A lot. Some of them have a lot of worm. So I had to figure out with apple cider, so I'm using a brand new clean bucket with a lid for burping. Burp, otherwise it'll explode. And basically, I'm going to fill it with chopped apples. If they're organic, you can use most of it, but you don't want to, like, use worm parts. So I have to cut out. So I'm using a 64 ounce. And I rounded it off to 65. So that comes out to be about 12 in ounces. It comes out to be 12 medium apples total, because I can't count on these apples. Some of them I'm only using a quarter of. So I had to find a way that I could actually, you know, have common ground here to do the math. So 64 ounces, 65 ounces is roughly about 12 medium apples. So by the time I fill up that, it's 12 medium apples. Then I throw it into my bucket. And then I add, and like kombucha, apple cider vinegar is better with refined sugar. And yes, I know I had to go buy some because I don't even have any. And also I'm having a beer because it's been a long, it was a long summer, hard work. So these are my plum starts. Using rooting hormones, so they're a test. They're a test. See if I can do it. So you're going to take 12 teaspoons, flatline teaspoons of refined sugar per medium-sized apple. So 12 apples, 12 medium-sized apples, that equals out to 65 ounces. And it gets 1 teaspoon of sugar per apple. So I just add the sugar in when I'm adding in down into there. Sorry. So now I'm going to add those in because I'm done. Ooh, there's just a couple in there. Whoops, sorry. And now I'm going to add in 12 teaspoons of refined sugar, and then I'm going to fill it with water as I go till I get to the top. And then I'm going to get to about, I don't know, that far down, and then it's going to cook. I'm going to put the lid on it so it can burp and ferment, and then it'll be in there, and then I'll put a date on it, and it'll be in there for 4 weeks. And then we'll go from there. All right, so that's for my friends and fellow herbies. You know who you are. That's my apple cider vinegar tutorial. Bye, everybody.